Hello, I'm going to show you how to edit an existing post in WordPress. To edit a post, we have to be in the post section of the dashboard and select which one of the posts we want to edit. For example, we want to edit this one and we click here on edit. Once here, we are going to be able to edit the content. For example, here we can edit the title, we can change it, or we can edit the content. This paragraph, for example, we can delete it, and we can also edit the images. We can edit, choose new images, or simply delete these images. Once we are done with the changes, we have to press this button, update. Thank you.